Hello everyone, this is Greg. I am returning my drone. I'm making this video because I don't trust these people, to be honest, about what they get back. So this is what was in the box. I've opened the box from the bottom. There's the shipping label. And I just opened it from the bottom to pull the drone out. Here's the controller. A little dust there. In good shape, no problems. Everything functions, even though I couldn't make it work. I think it's me. 2 good batteries. Never even used that battery. I only used just the one. The sensor that I attached once and took it back off because I didn't want to break it, trying to fly. So I just attached it just to make sure it went in, and then I took it back off for attempting to fly it, and well, I never made it that far. The thing turned on once, and then the drone itself, the batteries, well, of course the batteries are there. It's, it functions. Everything is still in good shape. It all works. Everything spins. Motors are good. Okay. As far as I can tell, I haven't harmed this thing at all. It's a little dusty from just being handled so damn much, trying to get it to work, And this whole spin it this way and spin it this way. If I ever do this again, I'm buying a Lazy Susan. And I'm setting this thing on the Lazy Susan, and I'm going to slowly spin it so I get a good, even, the way that they have you set these up. And then there's no legs on the back to bring these up to level. If you have one of these, you'll understand what I mean by that. That's a complete joke there. Complete joke. Anyway, and then there's a charging cable. There are the bag of extra blades and the screwdriver. How many blades are in here? Better count them. I said, I don't trust these people at all. I asked the same question over and over again. There's even a little extra screw in there. I didn't even know about that. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 new blades, a screwdriver, and an extra screw. And then the manuals that basically tells you how to do it, but none of this works when I try it. I don't know. I really don't know. With more information, I'm sure that this thing is functional, but they won't tell me where that information is, so I'm just going to have to send it back. I'm really disappointed. I really waited a long time to buy one of these. And now that I have, I would rather, there's more than once I just wanted to take a sledgehammer to the fucking thing and be done with it. So anyway, that's my experience with the drone life. Let's flip it over so it's right side up when I open it. And then we'll put this over it. I'm going to take a piece of packing tape. They will never line all of those fucking marks back up after opening it. Okay, then we'll put some more tape over these marks here so they can't get erased. Okay, now I want to go to the internet real quick. And I want to show you who I purchased this from so you don't do the same thing. Here's my order. Let's go over here to the desktop. This is the drone right here. This is the provider right here. It is enter, flip it over, enter fun shop. Never, ever do business with these people. Okay? Enter fun shop. Do not do business with these people. They simply, I guess there's more information on how to fly this drone. I've looked up the reviews on YouTube, and the only thing I can find online is their promotion video and the PDF. I can find nothing else. They talk about it, but refuse to guide me to it. So, you don't do business with them. I never will. This is getting stuck on my wall along with Ling Ling 69. Okay? I watch for these things, and I will never knowingly spend money with these people again for the way that they've treated me on this. I probably have a working product sitting in this box, but without more information, I can't manage to get it going. So, I said what I had to say. Thanks for watching.